In every story, there is a unique context that connects us to the past. Our culture, our traditions, and our heritage. A past that we believe is worth protecting. Manulife brings new life to the historical building by transforming it and making it better for everyone. For over 100 years, we've been focused on creating positive social impact, not just through our products, but across our activities in helping communities. The railway building restoration is a meaningful way of introducing Manulife's purpose in Myanmar, which is to preserve the past, our tradition, our heritage, our culture, and bring new purpose for the future of our communities and our families, because that's worth protecting.